Venezuela is preparing militarily against the U.S. threat. Venezuela, which is among the strongest countries regionally, also has a significant number of soldiers. The Bolivarian Army of Venezuela was founded in 1810. Venezuela is the 50th most powerful military power in the world and the 4th most powerful regionally. Venezuela has a total of 337,000 soldiers. Of these, 109,000 are active duty soldiers and 8,000 are reserve soldiers. The Venezuelan armed forces are the 43rd most numerous military force in the world. They rank 72nd in reserve soldiers. The armed forces also maintain a significant number of mercenaries. Venezuela has a total of 220,000 mercenaries. It also has the 10th largest number of mercenaries in the world. Venezuelan land forces maintain their strength with Russian support. Many of the weapons in the armed forces inventory are Russian weapons. Venezuela has the 59th most tanks in the world. The Venezuelan land forces have 92 Russian-made T-72B1 tanks. This tank weighs 44 tons, has a range of 500 kilometers, and a speed of 60 kilometers per hour. It is known as the most modern tank in the Venezuelan army. Another tank in the inventory is 81 French-made AMX 30V tanks. This tank weighs 40 tons, has an operational range of 600 kilometers, and a speed of 65 kilometers per hour. The Scorpion 90 is a light tank in the inventory. These tanks, unlike the T-72, are not particularly powerful for Venezuela's ground forces. Venezuela's tank count is insufficient for Venezuela, weakening its ground forces. Venezuela is attempting to address the tank shortage in its land forces by increasing its armored vehicles. Venezuela possesses 8,802 armored vehicles. Among these, the BMP-3 and BTR-80A are in its inventory. The Venezuelan land forces have 8,802 armored vehicles and 100 howitzers and 36 missile systems. The Venezuelan Air Force was established in 1920. Venezuela has a total of 229 aircraft and 20,000 personnel. It is the 42nd country in the world with the most aircraft. With 30 fighter jets, its air force is the 43rd most combat aircraft. It is inadequate in terms of both quality and quantity. The inventory includes 3 F-16A/B Block Fighting Falcons. 24 of these were initially purchased in 1982, but due to a lack of spare parts, only a few or none may remain in service. Another important combat aircraft is the 21 Sukhoi Su-32 Malawian Quachas. This fighter jet is the most modern fighter jet in the Venezuelan Air Force. As a transport aircraft, it has 3 Lockheed C-130 transport aircraft. The Chinese-made Hongdu JL-8 is also in the inventory as a training aircraft. These aircraft can also be used as light combat aircraft. The Venezuelan Air Force has a total of 229 aircraft, including 30 fighter jets, 49 transport aircraft, 75 trainer aircraft, 88 helicopters, and 10 attack helicopters. Venezuela's Bolivarian Navy was founded in 1811. With 30 ships and 11,000 personnel, the Navy possesses no powerful warships other than a few frigates. The Venezuelan Navy also strives to maintain its power in the region through exercises with Russia and Iran. There are 6 British-built artillery boats, each weighing 173 tons, but only 3 are expected to remain in service. Patrol boats include the Pagalo class and the Iranian-built 13.75-ton Paycap 3 class missile boat. As patrol vessels, it has the 2,400-ton Guaycari-class patrol boat and the 1,400-ton Guaycamacuto class boat. These vessels are also classified as corvettes. The Navy has 30 ships, 1 frigate, 1 submarine, and 25 coastal defense ships.